Maybe you're wondering, what is a travel wholesale club? Why do I need a membership? And does it make financial sense for me to become a member? Great question. So first of all, remember, you do not have access to the wholesale travel system. You can't book wholesale travel unless you have a login. And the only way to get a login is to have a membership. Think of it as when you really want to go to Costco and get your $1.50 hot dog and drink. You can't get into Costco without your card. You have to have a membership. And does it make financial sense? Absolutely. Let me give you an example. To become a member of this wholesale travel club, it is $50 one time, only 50 bucks, and then $25 a month. Shelly booked a trip to Maui for her and her husband. She saved $600 on her hotel. $600 cheaper than anywhere else online or even the hotel directly. It was the cheapest price. By saving that $600, she not only made her money back on her membership and her monthly fee, she saved even more. And guys, that was only on one trip. If you have big travels planned, a membership only makes sense. But of course, if you have any questions, we are totally here to help. So shoot us an email with any that you might have.